ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 23, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂಗ ವಿಲಯಾಯ ಭವತ್ ಪ್ರಣುನ್ನೋ ನೂನಂ ಸರೂಪ್ಯ ಗಿರಿಮಾಪ್ಯ ಮಹತ್ ಸಮಾಜೇ ನಿಶ್ಶಂಕಮಂಕಕೃತವಲ್ಲಭಂ ಅಂಗಜಾರಿಂ ತಂ ಶಂಕರಂ ಪರಿಹಸನ್ ಉಮಯಾಭಿಷೇಪೇ. Word by word meaning. Atyanta Sanga Vilayaya, for the complete removal of all attachment. Bhavat Pranunnaha Noonam, prompted by thee it seems. Saha Chitraketu Rupya Girim Apya, reaching the silver mountain Kailasha. Mahat Samaje, in the assembly of great sages. Nishankam, without any inhibition. Anka Kritavallabham, who had seated his consort on his lap. Angajarim, the destroyer of Kamadeva. Tam Shankaram, that Shiva. Parihasan, ridiculing. Umaya Abhishepe, was cursed by Uma. Full meaning. At thy prompting, as it were, in order that his attachment to sense pleasures may be completely eradicated, he went to Kailasha, and seeing Lord Shiva sitting in an assembly of great sages with his consort Uma on his lap, without any inhibition, ridiculed him and was cursed by Uma that he would be born as an Asura. Om Tat Sat.